Hi guys. So today I had gone cycling with my friends and one of my friend comes cycling with his mudguard weirdly hanging.
Wait, hold up. What's a mudguard again? Here, let me search it up. What is a mudguard? Okay, so here it says a mudguard or a mud flap is used in combination with the vehicle fender to protect the vehicle, passengers, other vehicles, and pedestrians from mud and other fine debris thrown into the air by the rotating tire. Okay, let's find a video to see what it looks like when you don't have mud guards or mud flaps. And the video is made by Global Cycling Network.
Ah! 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 Oh god! Ah!
Lesson learned. Don't break the mudguard.
So basically the part where the mudguard attaches to the seat post broke off, and this genius friend of mine, I must tell you, he tried to fix it with some tape. A plastic part broken, I'm surely gonna 3D print it. So I started off by taking the diameter of the seat post. I took around 3 to 4 readings just to be sure with the help of a digital vernier caliper. And just on the same day, another friend of mine was like, my mudguard is also broken. Can you please fix it for me? I'm like, okay. And guess what? My engineering degree has been reduced to fixing mudguards. So let's just say this weird shape is the mudguard over here, and the clamp that we need to design is in blue. So as most of the seat posts are circular in nature, I have drawn this circle on top of the screen that you are able to see, and this will resemble somewhat to the actual design that we are going to make. So now I am just extruding, I'm just protruding two lines out of it so that I can attach a screw over there. The main reason of the screw is so that when I tighten the screw, that will nicely latch on, hold on, grasp the seat post. And similarly, we need to attach this figure, this clamp, to the mudguard, and the mudguard also has a kind of a hole, and to fix that hole with this clamp, we need another screw just like this, so that we can tighten the screw with the help of a nut and with the help of a bolt, and our entire fixture is ready. In order to design the part, we'll first make the circle that will go around the seat post. Now we'll give it a dimension, and we will also add those protrusions that I talked about where the screw will attach. Right now we'll also need some thickness attached, so I'm just making double lines, I'm just making parallel lines so that we can add some thickness towards it. And now I will just eliminate these extra few lines which I just made for the sake of designing, and we are kind of done with this basic thing. Now we are gonna extrude this part. Extrude the part meaning we are gonna give it some thickness. Now after giving it some thickness, we can see that the shape of the clamp is somewhat beginning to formulate. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna have a few holes for which we'll be able to clamp onto the mudguard and also tighten to the seat post. So these are the two holes. And lastly, we're just gonna add some finishing touch. We're just gonna make a few smooth borders so that our part looks nice after fitting. Okay, our part is ready. Let's 3D print it. I have already attached the part to the mudguard, and in order to fix it to the seat post, you can simply slide it in, and wherever you need to lock it, you can just use your screwdriver, and the nut and the bolt will tighten against each other and the clamp will get fixed. Finally, the mudguards are fixed. My friends are extremely happy, but now they need to make it up to me. You can help those poor souls by giving them some ideas, as I'm sure they would be checking out the comment section. Stay tuned.